Hello to those of you who are shopping for a home and potentially shopping for a mortgage, and you're wondering what the income requirements are for a conventional loan. Now, I'm going to run through a short video here for you just describing the basics, and then if you have any questions, you want to see how much you can get approved for, we can help you with a pre-approval. Just follow the link down below in the first pinned comments and also the description. So the income requirements are that your income must be continuous and stable for the past 2 years. There can be a few exceptions made if you've got a couple of small gaps in employment. So don't let that stop you, but in general, the guidelines require continuous, stable, and steady income that you can fully document over the last 2 years. That's an important aspect of it, fully document, and I'll get to that in a moment. Now, the income that would qualify is W-2 income, bonuses, overtime, commissions, part-time income, self-employment income, and seasonal work too. Okay, but again, it must be fully documented. It must be consistent. So if you are getting bonus income and you only got a bonus once in the last 2 years, you're likely not going to be able to include that bonus income because it's not consistent. The same thing with overtime. If you work 2 hours a week of overtime for the last year or so, you may have a good chance of including that bonus or overtime income to help qualify for the mortgage amount you're looking for. And you must, like I said, document it fully, which means pay stubs, W-2s for the past 2 years, and tax returns for the past 2 years. You need to provide those. Now, if you are self-employed, you're not going to have pay stubs and W-2s, but you must provide your full tax returns for the last 2 years, and you need to be able to qualify after your write-offs. So it's going to be essentially your net income after your write-offs. So if you make $100,000 a year in your business, but after write-offs you're only showing a $30,000 income, then that's going to be the amount that your lender is going to use to qualify you for the mortgage. Now, there is another option available to you which we can help with, where you don't look at tax returns and you only use bank statements, but that's not a conventional loan. So hopefully this answered your questions. If you do want to see how much you can get pre-approved for, and because you're not sure how much income you have that can qualify for your mortgage, then just follow the link down below in the first pinned comment and also the description to dreamhomefinancing.com. We'll help you there and answer any questions that you may have. Appreciate you watching today, everyone. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and we will talk to you next time.